And welcome to the Mad Maker Show. Guys, today we have a special guest, Heath Knuckles, and we'll be interviewing him in just a little bit. They are kind of frozen-faced at the moment. Oh my god.
From YouTube's?
Is that Jamie and Eloy? From the Tubi Tubes?
Well, Heath, welcome. Welcome, dude.
Thank you, Eloy. Appreciate that. And thank you for having me on.
Yeah, man.
That was Bobby Duke.
No. My name's Heath.
Oh, right.
So
I better remember that.
So Heath, when are you doing your next your next Maui hook, Heath?
I'll kick that out this Friday. I think so.
Nice.
Maybe carve a dookie duke, something like that.
So, dude, we're excited to interview. So, I guess you know how it is. We go sometimes Quentin Tarantino style.
Mad Maker shirts available now. 60s retro design, many colors to choose from. Link in the description. Adam McMillan, Bobby Duke, Sterling Davis, Scrollsaw Scribbler, Dirty Smith, Tony Rouleau, Ray Makes, Keith Decent, Bales, JP Woodwork, Daniel Harju, Jack Bench, Rustic Duck Furniture, Chip Bills, Michael Zerker, Sokomo, I Jessup, Herb Lichtenberg, Wartooth Designs, Heath Knuckles, Rebecca DeGroot, Elm City Vintage, Andy Berkey, Dan the Maker Man, Doc Jared HIldabrant, Northside Custom Craft, Make It Sof, King's Fine Woodworking, 5x30 Woodworking, Mark Lindsay CNC, Works by Solo, Brett McAfee, Al's Hack Shack, Carl Jacobson, Charles Deering, Javi's Woodshop, Miter Mike's Wood Shop, Temple Boy Turnings, Waylight Creations, Awesome Wood Things, Man Crafting TM, retro shirts and standard shirts available. Check out the description.